Is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live, you'll have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into it right away, starting with GameX 1200. So guys, this is GameX 1200 on 15-minute time frame, and of course, I'm using the 3M custom-made indicator to do my analysis right here. So if you are having, you can also join me. Okay. So this particular set has been on uptrend for a very long time. It actually got to this resistance zone and tried to sell for a while, broke out from the lower part of the channel, and so till it got to this region. After getting to this support zone, it switched back into an uptrend and it has been buying since then. So right now it has gotten to this resistance and it has not been able to break out from there. So it had a major pullback. Tried it out again, still unable to break out from there. So it's tried to go back down again. Okay. This has actually been playing around there. It's trying to go back on downtrend, but there is something here that has not been making it possible. Okay, so it means that there are some buyers that are still pushing it upward to see if it can break out above the resistance zone, because if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will buy more. But if it does not, then it will go back on full downtrend. So we just need it to push down below this for it to go on full downtrend. For now, this is still buying. The buying might not be for long because it is just a pullback, just to try out the resistance zone again to see if it will break out above it. Okay, if it's unable to break out above it, it will go back on downtrend. Personally, I am waiting for it to go on downtrend fully. But however, the market will always behave like the market. Okay, so it can decide to push through above the resistance zone and even buy more. But right now it is still buying, not until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will sell. So for now, it is buying at the moment, and this might not be for a very long time. So I'm going to add a sell to it, okay, because I'm waiting for it to sell. Then the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's move on, guys. This is GainX 999. I also dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. This had been on uptrend for a while, but got to this region and sold for a while, went back up again. This is giving us double touch. Double top right there at the resistance zone. So it means it's going to sell. And I told us that okay, it should sell right from there. So I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. Entry point, stop loss, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved. Now it is heading towards TP4 and TP5, which is going to be the last TP. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on, guys. Paynex 1200. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 1200. This actually started an uptrend right from here. I actually dropped this signal yesterday. This was our entry point. It activated it and also traced our TP. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. It didn't achieve the last TP. It's almost achieved it, but it didn't achieve it before having this major pullback. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will switch back into an uptrend and buy. Okay, so but for now it is selling until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999. This actually started a new trend this afternoon. So it started this uptrend this afternoon, and of course, it's been going well. Got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it switched into an uptrend. So this should have been an entry point for us. Okay, I actually missed out from the entry point. You can see it. That is why I didn't drop the signal on this. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this first. And breaks out from here, then definitely it should buy more. So probably I will look out for a pullback. Okay, in case you still want to trade it, look out for a pullback and make sure after the pullback you get a buy signal, then you can jump into it. Okay, so that is it. So this is buying at the moment. So it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80, let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This is another trade which we actually picked up and it's been amazing, guys. It's been amazing. So this is the entry point. This is the stop loss because we missed out on the entry point right from the beginning. It started from here, but we missed out from there. So we started it from here. Entry point one achieved. I mean, entry point achieved. TP1 achieved. TP2 achieved. TP3 achieved. It's almost achieved TP4, but it is yet to achieve it. Okay, so this is still selling, right? This is still selling. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to do today. Okay, so guys, you guys can go through it and try to see how you can also benefit from all this trading analysis. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.